Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So a few things we worked on today. I worked on wiring up some can lights. I kind of pre-wired these, gonna throw these up into the little ceilings that they're gonna go to in the doorway entrances. So you'll see that right now. So I threw the second one up. I wired up 4 can lights, 2 and 2. So 2 go together and the other 2 go together. So I threw these up there. They're just sitting up there right now, so I zip tied that so it doesn't fall down on anyone's head. But basically all I have to do now is screw this down and center these up on this little doorway entrance, and then the same thing on the other door entrance. So hopefully that goes out. Hopefully that goes well tomorrow, because I hate can lights, or someone else can do it. But anyways, for the majority of the day today, worked on finishing up this window wall, and pulling strings through the flex, finishing up the flex, mounting boxes, all that good stuff. So added some flex on the left side in that box, pulled that string, took all 4 of these and put them down into their respective places: critical power, normal power, low voltage data, and then I think the middle one right there is the UPS quadplex. And then we pulled strings through all these. Surprisingly, the strings went really well with a nylon fish tape and 2 zip ties taped over each other. Just perfect. It went so much easier than I thought. It went flawlessly, actually, no problems at all. So I do have to do a few more straps, some spreader bars or whatnot, strap this stuff down, make it look a little bit better. But everything is done, just have to put the mud rings on and all that good stuff. So I'm really happy about that. So I'll be working on the can lights tomorrow, and then I'm not sure after that, I forget. But anyways, really great. We're really happy that we got some great progress done on this today. And then my apprentice also worked on mounting a few more boxes over here for some more receptacles, a switch, or not a switch, a nurse call. And then you just stub those out into the hallway right there with some preacher's collars. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And that'll do it. See you in the next one. Peace.